In this next video, we're going to look at fractions of a number. This question seems a bit weird at first, but I think if we look at these examples visually, it'll make a lot more sense. What number is half of 4? I like doing it at this lower grade level because the concept will continue as you go into grade 7 and on into high school. A lot of looking at percentages of numbers. We'll even do some of that later in this section, in the percent section. But it's easier for you to wrap your mind around when the numbers are smaller. So if I just draw here, and I'm going to make my 4 dots, half of 4. If we think about what it's literally asking us to do, this idea of splitting our whole into 2 pieces. So 1/2 of that is obviously 2. I think a lot of you would be able with 1/2 to just say, oh, 1/2 of 4 is obviously 2. But there's the visual representation of we have the whole, which is 4. If we split the set into 2 halves, there are 2 dots in a half. Same concept again here. Number is half of 8. I'm sure you can envision or just know that half of 8 is 4. If you think of teams, I have 8 kids in the class. I want to make 2 teams, half and half. Obviously it's 4, but the visual, the whole or the set is 8. What is 1/2 of that? 4. This next example is a little bit trickier. What number is 1/5 of 10? So we think halves a lot, but we don't always think about fifths. But the concept is still the same. We have the whole, which is 10, and they want us to split it into 5 parts, 5 equal parts. Remember that from before. And I know my shape isn't showing equal parts here, but there's an equal number of these blue dots in each part. So so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 1/5? 2. 1, 2. In this last example, we're splitting 8 into quarters. What is 1/4 of 8? So same thing. I have my whole. Wants me to split it into 4 equal sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many is in each section? Obviously, 1, 2. Hope that helps. Good luck.